Come test drive the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.